And here I have already done my one round in plain stockinette stitch, and now we're gonna bind off with this lace, see. So now you can remove this BOR marker. Here you wanna bind off first one stitch. Bind off one stitch, and now you will repeat the repeat pattern from here. So first, for the repeat pattern, you wanna knit this stitch. You wanna make a 3 stitch chain like you do in crochet. You wanna make 3 rows of chain, 1, 2 and 3 rows of chain. And now you want to pick up this loop from this stitch and knit it. Now you want to pass this chain stitch over this stitch, like so, and bind off 2 stitch, 1 and 2. This is the repeat. You will repeat this repeat all the way around till here. Again, I'll show you again. You're gonna make 3 rows of chain, 1, 2, 3. Pick up this loop from this stitch, from this chain stitch, and knit it. And bind off 2 stitch, 1 and 2. Repeat that again. Make 3 rows of chain, 1, 2, 3, and pick up this loop, knit it, and pass this chain stitch over this stitch, and bind off 2. And you want to repeat this process until you get here and bind off all stitches. And once you come to the last step, you want to go here or here and bind off like this. And cut the yarn or break the yarn and secure it.